Welcome to my channel. If you are smart, prove it now. You have 15 seconds for each question. Let's begin.
Did you find the correct answer? Let's see how sharp your observation is. That was easy. Now let's try something a little harder. If you solve this, you are really smart. How many did you get right so far? Comment below. Look carefully, don't rush. This is where most people make mistakes.
Medium level.
That was medium level. Now get ready for a tricky one. Only sharp minds can solve this one. If you reached here, your IQ is really strong. Now comes the most confusing question. Focus. Only a few people can solve this one.
Hard level.
If you got most of them right, you are a genius. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IQ challenges. This is the second last question. Focus. This is the final question, give it your best.